Manufacturing pressure is at an all-time high. Faster cycles, global competition, and zero tolerance for delays or mistakes. Introducing the all-new Ion experience, rebuilt from the ground up. Faster, smarter, more scalable. Ion's A-BOM optimizes supply chain workflows with real-time product visibility. Ion streamlines production by surfacing data instantly, reducing waste and enabling faster, voice-assisted workflows. Ion embeds quality into workflows, accelerating detection, resolution, and prevention for lasting improvement. And now, Ion gets smarter with Ion Intelligence, the first agentic co-pilot for modern manufacturing. Agentic assistants track inventory, consumption, and yield, triggering smart reorder plans before shortages occur. Production agents optimize schedules using labor, cycle times, and factory constraints, maximizing throughput across the factory. This is the future of manufacturing systems. Built for performance, designed for intelligence. This is the world's leading factory OS. This is the new Ion, now with Ion Intelligence.